Hidalgo County. This right here is your hydronic heating system, which is great for heating your home. But if you're looking to add a more efficient way to heat your home, and on top of that, also add cooling to your home, stay around, and Elite HVAC Contractors is going to show you the best way to do it. Best way to add an efficient heating and cooling source to your home would be with a heat pump system. In this case, we have a single zone heat pump system that can go either into a ductless or ducted heat pump indoor unit. And also we have a multi-zone heat pump system that can go into either a ducted or ductless heat pump indoor unit in your home. Now let's take a look at the indoor units available for a mini split system. Let's start with the most popular, which would be ductless units. This right here is a wall-mounted ductless unit. And if you could imagine, it goes up on your wall and it provides air conditioning that way. Also, we have ceiling cassettes available. It looks kind of similar. The only difference is that this part goes up into the ceiling and the only thing you see is a grill. Now let's take a look at the ducted heat pumps available. In this case, we have a Mini-Ducted Heat Pump right here. As you can see, it's small in size. And it's great if you have a room that you're trying to condition and you have space available either in a crawl space like right here or in an attic. All we have to do is run small amounts of ductwork to that room that you're trying to condition, and the actual ducted heat pump stays in the crawl space or in the attic. That way you don't have to see the unit in your heating space. Now let's take a look at a fully ducted mini split heat pump system. In this case, we have this ducted heat pump conditioning a larger section of this home. If you have the space available, like in this case we have the unit up in an attic and you're trying to condition a larger space of your home, a fully ducted heat pump is the way to go. If you want to learn more about a heat pump system, either a ducted or ductless heat pump systems, feel free to give us a call, follow us on our social media accounts, visit our website, or give us a call.